Alright, in the last video you saw me wrap up this side, rust repair, treat the rust around here, braze up some pinholes, and in this video I got some stuff to do outside, but it's kind of soggy and nasty out there, so I may stay inside. So in this video, I'm gonna try to get this side, if not done, worked on. So that's my goal. And I think what I'm gonna do is get started. The question is, where do I feel like getting started? I think what I'm gonna do first is rebuild this corner. That's what I think I'm in the mood for. Let me get after it. Hey, look who decided to join us.
Hey.
Wait.
Oh, looks like you got your lens cap on.
That's not that funny. Look who decided to join us. She noticed Alright, I had to run out of space on my SD card. So, she noticed I did almost this whole side. She didn't say if she was proud of me or not.
Well, I'm proud of you. It's a lot of work.
And then she noticed I might not have to do this whole side. I think I got to do it from about here to somewhere here, I think. I took a hammer and beat on it down through here. It seems to be okay. But I'm going to put some of that OSFO back in there behind there and try to treat that area is my goal. In fact, if she was so inclined, she could do that on that side from the inside. She could do that. Alright, I gotta make some patches for this. That didn't work too good right there. Watch it, watch it, watch it.
Hey.
What? I'm just watching you.
Yeah, watching me. Got the lens cap off, I see.
Yeah, I'm starting to catch on. All right, this patch is done. I brazed it in the corner right there. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Not too bad. What's she doing now? She's putting that OSPO, slopping it in behind everywhere we can. Hopefully it'll keep it from rusting, at least in my lifetime. Or till I'm too old to fix it. Which ain't that much longer if you think about it.
Pretty kirsty.
Yeah. Alright, I'm fitting to make the patch for this spot right here. And it has a fairly consistent bend in it. So I have a slip roll out there, but the thing's sitting on the floor and it's heavy and I'd have to set it up. And so I started thinking about this, but then it dawned on me, I made this some time ago and I don't think I ever used it. So let me give it a whirl. Works pretty darn slick. I got this idea from Half-Ass Customs up there in Canada. I think he's got a much larger one, but it works pretty good for this little stuff. Sure does. Look at that. Mashed it close enough so I can get things cut out and sneak up on it for sure. So that's what I'm gonna work on now. Vacuum the goo out, grind that edge out, and get her closer to ready. All right, I got this piece tacked in, and I think this is where we need to stop here. It seems pretty solid there. So, and this is much rougher to break than all the other pieces. So I think with that piece and then a little bit right there where I scratched the paint is all we got to do. I think.
Hard to tell what you're using there.
Do what? Oh, I bent that a little too much, I'm afraid. It's alright, you can tweak it back. Let's go. Not too much right there, but a little too much here. So let's just use the lift to flatten it out. Alright, now I just gotta trim the bottom. put it in right side up. I think it's pretty good. Oh, I missed. She keeps disappearing. This last time, I guess she was gonna have to go have some popcorn. I guess I'm that exciting to watch.
Of course.
Of course. Up with me welder here. Wrong. Something is not okay. I've been grinding and welding and patching, and I think I'm done. I think I am done with the roof repair. Roof repair. Other than the bondo and the sanding and stuff. I think it turned out okay. I think I'm gonna live with it. I think so. Now I gotta pick up a bunch of tools, don't I? Maybe I can round up Mrs. Heavy Chevy one more time. Do what?
Here's those side cutters you've been looking for, probably.
Oh, yeah. Alright, she's helping me pick up the tools. You know what? Teamwork makes the dream work. Alright, this is a big day. The roof repair, rust repair is done. Except for the bondo work. And the sanding and the seam sealer and the paint. I mean, it's nearly there.
Almost. Closer than it was.
Anyway, I'm over the rust hump, though. I think. So, I got to order. I thought I had some of that tiger hair, but I guess I don't have any. I can't find it anyway. So, it's probably no good by now anyway. So, I need to get some of that. And I need to sand the roof down, but I ain't going to do it today. What we are going to do, though, is get cleaned up a little bit. Not much, just a little bit. Mm-hmm. And go to the grocery store. Yeah. So there's that. The grinding and welding is done on this, but wait till you see what I might do in a couple of weeks. Might have to kick this car to the curb for a little bit. Hey, I've been working on it a long time.
You have.
Homie needs a break.
I get it.
Alright, gotta ring the bell. Ring the bell. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to go to MrHeavyChevy.com where you can buy whatever we got left. And go from there. So be cool. Don't forget, it's Christmas stuff. Could be Christmas stuff. And that's all I got to say, I guess. Eyes up here.